We have our Master of Ceremonies here, Simran Ahuja ji, and she is a Miss India, author, actress, multi-talented person. We're honored to have her here. And she said, I would like to take picture with this incredible talented artist. So Simran ji, please come on up.
Wow, it's really amazing. What an incredible performance. A lovely and a big hello, global namaste to each and every beautiful soul present here. I'm truly thankful for you. The fact that you're all here, of course, I can understand with the breeze playing a little naughty, it's a little hot out here. But then, don't we always want to look hot and beautiful? So let's consider it that way. And I'm going to put my hands together for each and every one of you here. Hello, Los Angeles. How are we doing this evening? I'm truly thankful to विजय पाटील जी. कहाँ गए आप विजय जी? कुठे गेला तुम्ही? अगं बाई, इतकं चांगलं परफॉर्मन्स होतं. त्यांचं परफॉर्मन्ससाठी जोरदार ताऱ्या वाजवा हो. आई शपथ, खरंच सांगते मी, मला फार फार आनंद वाटला. विजय सर, प्लीज आप यहाँ पर आए. Ladies and gentlemen, this is truly a huge honor for all of us to be assembled here for celebration where commemoration of 350th coronation anniversary of the legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Jai Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji. I'm truly humbled to be here. And our visionary leader, who's just next to me, is a very humble person, truly trying and getting into the idealism which we've learned from our legend, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, right from 1674 till this year, where we've completed 350 years. He's truly inspired us, inspired generation after generation. And the founder, Mr. Vijay Patil, who took this initiative of passing on these ideologies to our next generation. तो हम तहे दिल से आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for our visionary leader, for the one who believes in our own culture. हमारे heritage को आगे ले जाना चाहते हैं, because we're all beautiful souls going through this human experience. And we want to really believe in all the ethnicities coming together this grand, truly spectacular celebration. So for now, give it up for the brilliant dancers from Sonali Ji's Academy. Maybe Sonali ताई, please या. इतका आनंद वाटतो आम्हाला. विजय सर, मला माहित आहे तुम्ही फार फार बिझी. Yes, a dance step. We all will learn one dance step on this very auspicious occasion. Are we ready, everybody? Can I request? Yes, you like it? Can I request you all to be in a very comfortable spot and rise? Everybody, everybody. We start up. This is the beginning to celebrate. Ek konta pan? No, we will do that. Everybody can do it? Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So are we ready, everybody? Can we learn a step? Yes or no? Yes, everyone rise. Everyone rise. Okay, so which is the step which we're going to... Okay. आपण सगळं हे step करूया. We all do this step. Everybody stand. But please go back to your respective seats. Do not take someone else's hot chair, or why? Because we truly want you all to enjoy. But what a beautiful beginning by we all being a part of this celebration. So thank you for having your beautiful gadgets on. I'm going to introduce myself, of course, as mentioned by Vijayji. Are we ready? Can we have the music? 1 second. So can you just teach us the step, show us the step in 30 seconds? Yeah, let's do it. You do it? Okay. So we're just going to do how we do the chicken dance. Okay. Yes. Okay, so that's a step touch. That's a step touch with the hop. Step touch with the hop. Step touch with the hop. Are we ready? Okay, so everybody, so we all go to the right side first. Okay, so everybody, we'll all go the left foot first. I'm with you. So left foot, step touch with the hop, and the chicken step. Yeah, come on, everybody, are we ready? Keep going, let them follow you. 5, 6, right side to the stage, everyone to the left. All right, everyone who's this side, let's go. So this is 1 and 2. Towards the left, all right? So with the hop, and let's do it. Music, please. Music, please. Thank you, Anil ji, for joining us. So Vijayji is my boss today. I can't force him, you see. All right. Oh, you can, of course. So music, sir. Okay, so my lovely team is going to help me. Sonali ji, kindly help them for the music to be played. So you need to tell them and cue them. By the way, thank you so much, Vijay, because this is the first time in my life. You know, of course, I'm a part of the Lokmat, beautiful celebration, but I'm wearing officially a Nawari sari. So thank you for allowing me to be dressed up in this very beautiful ethnic attire. And you all have such lovely smiles. Thank you so much. Are we ready with the music? All right, let's go. So I'm going to do it with you. All right, we all go the left side first. Left side, you all go the right side. 5, 6, let's go. Ta 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 la 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 aga bye. Chala chala. Everybody, let's go. I like that. Come on. Woo! Woo! Oh, wow. Okay, let the music play. Let the music play. I'll give the count.
राज का त्योहार है अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम
Let's
रखे
go.
तेरे
1,
चरण की
2,
शपथ ना जग
la la la. Woo! Oi, oi! A little attitude, a little expression. Wow. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. You're doing it so lovely. I'm impressed. I love it. Everyone loves to dance here at Los Angeles. Thank you for all the love. Thank you so much for the music. Sonal ji, yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you to all the beautiful age groups who are here for the lovely performances back to back. The very amazing, all the 3 amazing performances that you gave us. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, my name is Simran Ahuja, and I'm truly elated, overwhelmed, and on a natural high altogether because this is the beginning of the miracle. Well, since Vijayji has mentioned that I should introduce myself, please allow me to do the needful. I'm an actress back at India. I work in Bollywood films. And at the same time, I'm an internationally celebrity anchor, a part of the IFA Awards, Filmfare Awards, if you know, and the Oscars Academy. We've had only 2 shows back in India to welcome our former president, John Bailey, sir. Both were hosted by me. The Stardust Award, Lokmat Awards, and the likes. And this is my very first time to host such a prestigious and, of course, a huge honor for me to be a part of this commemoration. So thank you to each and every one of you for being present here. It's only because of your presence that there are lights around, brightness around, though it's hot, but you guys make it completely a cool feeling altogether. I've been truly honored. I was here 2 weeks back at Chicago to receive the very prestigious medallion by our really honorable US Congressman, our living legend, Danny K. Davis, sir. So I'm very excited to be here at LA to celebrate with all of you. Now, before we go ahead, let us know a little bit about what does SMAP do. Well, friends, as we all know, this wonderful initiative where, of course, our legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest warriors and the topmost warriors. And besides that, he always worked for the welfare of the people, trying and bringing people together, of course, making sure to celebrate the culture and at the same time being a leader by being people's leader, by allowing all the people to, of course, speak to him at the same time, fulfill his vision of making them happy. And this is exactly what our visionary leader, the founder of SMAP, does. Well, friends, I'm going to request you all to kindly put your hands together as I'm going to invite our founder of the Shivaji Maharaji's Antarashtriya Parivar's founder, Mr. Vijay Patil, to speak a little bit more about what are we that looking forward to today and the initiative that he's taken, where the completion of 350 years, have been completed for this very special anniversary taking place, the coronation ceremony taking place. Let's move ahead with this. So thank you to all the kids out here. I can see all the families, they say, who swing together, stay together. So thank you for being here with us. Quickly message and call your loved ones to join us here. Look at this. I can feel the cool breeze already. Are we feeling the cool breeze? Is there some breeze being felt already? I can feel it. What about y'all? So please quickly call, message your loved ones to join us here. This is a free event for all so that we could all celebrate. We are here till night, all evening long for this very amazing celebration. So thank you to all our friends from the media. Thank you to all our beautiful ladies and gentlemen, to all our performers. Sindhuri ji's here. Kiti shant diste tumi. Wow, wow, wow. I can see everyone around. So Vijay ji, should we rather go ahead with your initial, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to speak to everyone?
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Vijay ji? How excited and thrilled are you?
Super excited, but a little nervous.
But did you enjoy